Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best pet products for you and your furry friends. Today, we're looking at the Laiannwell Professional Grooming Comb, which we believe is the best dog fine-tooth comb out there. Whether you're a dog or cat owner, this 3-pack grooming comb set will surely make your pet care routine easier and more effective. First off, let's talk about the design. The comb features ergonomic rubber handles that provide a comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver while grooming your pet. This feature is perfect for longer grooming sessions, ensuring that your hand won't get tired or uncomfortable. The strong stainless steel teeth are precisely spaced to tackle tangles and mats, while the fine teeth are excellent for removing loose hair and dander, helping to keep your pet's coat shiny and healthy. One of the standout features of this comb is its ability to gently remove debris, such as mucus and dirt, especially around sensitive areas like the eyes. With its rounded tips, the comb is gentle on your pet's skin, ensuring that no harm comes to them while you're cleaning or detangling their fur. It's also designed to eliminate tangles without pulling or causing discomfort, which is crucial for pets with long or matted fur. Whether you have a dog or cat, this comb is versatile enough to work for pets of all sizes and hair types. The fine teeth can tackle even the smallest tangles, while the larger spacing is ideal for thicker coats. If you're someone who enjoys grooming your pet at home, this tool is a must-have, helping you maintain your pet's health and appearance with minimal effort. Now, you may be wondering about its durability. The high-quality metal teeth are sturdy and long-lasting, ensuring that the comb stays in great condition for a long time. Plus, the comb is lightweight, so it's easy to store and handle when needed. This grooming comb is not just a practical tool but also a thoughtful gift for any pet owner. It's a great way to show your appreciation for the care and effort that goes into maintaining a pet's well-being. Whether you're a professional groomer or simply someone who wants the best for your pet, the Laiannwell comb set offers excellent value and performance. So, if you're looking for a fine-tooth comb that's gentle yet effective, this professional grooming comb set from Laiannwell is definitely worth checking out. It provides everything you need to keep your pet's coat healthy, shiny, and tangle-free. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the best pet products.